Good morning. So, little bit of updates on silver this morning. That's I already posted this chart, I think, a week ago or something like that, where we are on the long-term time frame. We are inside a bullish signal, but we went up, so we are coming back inside the signal, the long signal. On a daily basis, we have already a long signal on the RSI, dynamic RSI, and we had a long signal on silver on these small bounce we had there. I think we will post soon another signal which would give us a dynamic divergence there, and then we would get a crossover on that one. If we look a little bit on the volume side, you see that we are very low on the MFI. We went very low, calling for a bounce, and that's why it was long. So we have been long there. If we look at it here, and we are very low on this one too. Concerning the CMF, we have more or less the same configuration. So if we go back to the chart with the fib on it, I will take off the indicators. So that's where we are now. So we are landing soon on the 38 fib, which is the 2120 support, 2120, which will be, I think, offering a very nice bounce from there for sure. Perhaps we will overshoot it a little bit on the downside, but that the third bounce area that I had on this chart posted last week or 10 days ago. So it's the big swing from, just to explain where it's coming, this one from, the swing from this low to this high. So it's a very hold swing starting in 1993 up to this spike up, very big spike at 50 more or less in April 2011. So I took this one. The reason why I took that swing is because we saw, when I was searching, you see it's the black swing here, you see how this one has been working even in 2016, has been supporting the price very well till 2019, not far away at all, on the 2360, 2140. And if we look in detail here we have the 50% of that fig. We have the 38.2, the 61.8, and here we have the 50%. It's there, you see it's here. So you see that on the 50% we had some reaction, and we are coming back now to retest the 38.2 that already gave a very nice reaction in 2016. So then if we look a little bit on the Fibonacci candle to have a cleaner image, we have this very nice impulsive move. Now we are inside a consolidation inside there. And after that, of course, we will get another impulsive move on the upside. So that's why we have here a big ABC that is pointing to 39, if I'm not wrong, exactly. That's 39. So I'm waiting to know where is the bottom. And the bottom could be post today, by the way. That's why I'm doing this update. So if we take this one and we consider the 38.2 as a bottom, you see that the target 71.8 is at 32, and the 1-to-1 extension is around 40, right together with the 76.4, 78.6 fib. So that would be a fantastic place there for the target of this move up, and it's over 100% move. So it's a very good investment, I think. Well, of course, going from 21 to 40, it's doubling the value. So that's where we are now. We have actually some short-term levels inside there. And of course, the first level there would be the 61.8 here. So the first place where we could bank some, of course, waiting probably on this double top. We would bank some, see a pullback, and we would surely see something like this when we would bounce from here. Let's say we go up there, we have this area here at the 50%, then we would go to this top with a double top, probably a pullback to this one, and then the 61.8, of course. Then two solutions: or we are over or we go on. If we go on, then we would have a continuation after the 61.8. So, and then we would spike to this 40 area with the one-to-one extension of that ABC up. So that's the idea of this trade, and that's why I have this one in my radar for a long time. So whenever I can get long, I'm long silver, or you can do the same on gold. But I prefer silver because we have here a great potential. It's not at all the same on gold. Here we have a 52 potential, and if we go up to the one-to-one extension, it's about an 85 to 90% trade profit on the trade, which is, I think, more than acceptable. So now let's go inside it a little bit. We have posted this chart, so you know what we have, you know where we are, and you know why we trade this one. So I posted this chart, we put it on regular candle. I posted this chart last week, I think. I've been trading this long here. We had a bounce, banked some, came back, went long again, banked again some, and then we broke. I went long yesterday again here. I'm long again here now. I think we will break. I think we will see this, I hope, more than think, but I really want to see this 2116, 2120 area. And of course, from here to there, I will start to get long. And we have here a medium-term bottom, as I said, at 2120. If we look at this from a volume point of view, so if we look at this from a volume point of view, that's what we have. I already showed that yesterday. So that's why we have this red line here. We have at the same place this support, volume support here at the 2169 that we are going to break soon. So that's why I'm playing those level here. And we have what could be the 2360 fib of this of this ABC down that we could be playing now. If we look at that on a Fibonacci candle, it could be a small ABC down on the daily basis. In this case, we would have the 61.8, which would send us under the 2120 level, which is what I'm looking for now. And if you look, we have exactly at the same place of the 38.2 big black fig I just showed you. We have here 21,207. We have this long-term nice volume support here that is coming right at the same time, right at the same place, which is logical, by the way, because fib are a place where people are putting some volume. So it tells us some big money movers have been playing here hard, because it's one of the area where people have been buying and selling, where we have more activity. So that is just to show again that this area that I have been showing really important. It's not this chart, it's that one, sorry. So this area is really important here, and here, sorry, 2118, 2120. So I really look for a move lower today. That would be great, perhaps before 1 hour and a half after the London Open. That would be perfect timing for that. And we have at the same time a little bit of move on the Dixie that could help that. So that's what I'm looking at today. Those level 2180 right now, 2148. Then we have this first support on volume, which is 21.35, and then this big confluence area around 21.20.